Hey guys, it's Eric Sabatini, mortgage professional in Niagara. Just wanted to spend a little bit of time talking to you about what a purchase plus improvement mortgage is. All right. Now, this is an interesting type of mortgage loan, and it combines home improvement loans into your mortgage. Okay, you can use the loan to upgrade your home, to renovate your home, to retrofit your home before you move in or soon after you move in. So here's a quick example of how it works. Let's say you find a home in a neighborhood that you absolutely love. We'll say the purchase price is $400,000, but it does need some work. All of your savings are likely going towards the down payment or the closing costs. But the purchase plus improvement mortgage allows you to fund improvements upfront, and you can qualify with a down payment of as little as 5% of the home's purchase price, in this case $400,000, plus renovation costs. So for example, $30,000. In this scenario, that would be a down payment of $21,500. Your renovation costs are disbursed once the work is complete, and the repayment is included in your monthly mortgage payments. So if you're thirsty for more information and you just want to discuss this a little bit more, because it is a very interesting product that I have available to me, especially in this red hot market, please reach out anytime. Eric Sabatini, mortgage professional in Niagara.